Alright, before this even starts, buckle up. What looks like a routine courtroom call is about to spiral into a perfect storm of probation violations, substance abuse, and public safety red flags. This isn't just a DWI hearing, this is a judge deciding whether someone is a danger walking free.
Let's rock and roll.
Page 7.
Is that Mr. Cope?
Cope.
Come up, Mr. Cope.
Morning, Your Honor.
Well,
Morning,
Mr. Cope, I don't know if I should be happy or upset with you, After all the things that we did, every single thing that we did, you're on 2 very serious felony probations for an arson, possession of a controlled substance, and now you've picked up a DWI. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
Notice what just happened here. The judge immediately lays out the stakes, 2 active felony probations. That's huge. When you're on felony probation, even a minor offense like DWI becomes a potential probation revocation. Translation? Jail time isn't hypothetical, it's very real.
We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir. Okay.
On March 2nd, 2024 in Harris County, Texas, a traffic stop was conducted for a defective rear tail light at around midnight. Officers noticed red, watery, bloodshot eyes, strong odor of alcoholic beverage on breath, disoriented, swaying stance, heavy, thick speech, and slow to respond. Additionally, officers could smell a strong odor of gasoline coming from the defendant's person.
This is where prosecutors build their foundation. Bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, poor balance, classic intoxication indicators. But that gasoline smell? That's not normal. That's a curveball. Officers aren't just thinking alcohol anymore, they're thinking inhalants, which dramatically raises the danger factor.
What did you just say?
The defendant did not have an ID with him, so officer used a portable AFIS to ID the defendant. Defendant stated he drank 2 to 3 Bud Light beers prior to driving. SFSTs, 6 out of 6, HGNs, 4 out of 8 walk-in turns, 2 out of 4 one-leg stands. Defendant consented to a breath sample. Blood alcohol content was 0.018. And
You mean 0.108.
Says 0.018.
Is that right?
Yes, 3-4 times below.
Here's the key contradiction, the BAC reads .018, barely above the legal limit, but his behavior doesn't match. And when officers see that mismatch, they escalate. That's why a drug recognition expert gets involved. Courts take that discrepancy very seriously.
Mr. Cope, I don't need your help.
Says point. Make sure this is, and then it says 0.016. Let me just verify the.
You have blood or breath?
Well, there's more to the PC.
Yeah, so, but finish that. So, officers did not believe the defendant's level of intoxication matched the BAC report. So, a DRE on scene performed an evaluation on the defendant. The DRE conducted the SFTs again. 6 out of CHGNs, 4 out of 8 walk-in turns, and 1 out of 4 one-leg stands. DRE advised he also smelled gasoline on the defendant, which he knows can be used as an inhalant. DRE advised that the defendant could be.
He's also on probation for an arson. He's on probation for an arson, and he also had another.
This is the moment everything collapses for the defense. Probation for arson, and officers smell gasoline on him during a DWI stop. That's not coincidence, that's context. From a judge's perspective, this screams pattern, risk, and escalation.
Arson on him, and now you smell gasoline on him. I think that you are an extreme danger to public safety, Mr. Cohn. I really, really do. You have a discharging with us, an assault, while on bond for both of those cases. You pick up an aggravated robbery, arson, burglary of a habitation, possession of a controlled substance, another arson, all those felonies. You get on probation for 2, they dismiss everything else. Now you pick up a DWI, you take flight on the first time they gave you another PR bond.
No,
You
sir.
got me bent if you think I'm gonna give you a PR bond again with all the stuff that you got. You are an extreme danger
Your
to
Honor.
public safety. And now you smell like gasoline? Hell no. He goes with you. Absolutely not.
Your
I'm
Honor,
gonna give
I
you a
was in-
lawyer today.
Mr. Cohen.
Can you find someone, please?